Tonight we're making a delicious lasagna bolognese made with Tuttorosso tomatoes. For the bolognese, start by rendering pancetta until golden brown and then remove with a slotted spoon. Add olive oil, carrots, celery, onions, and cook until softened, season with salt, and then add red pepper flakes and garlic. Once fragrant, add your ground beef and pork and cook until the meat is no longer pink. We're going to add a little bit of Tuttorosso's tomato paste made from vine-ripened tomatoes. This is going to add some deeply savory notes when caramelized through the cooking process. Deglaze the pan with red wine, reduce, and then add Tuttorosso San Marzano style hand-crushed tomatoes. These are coarsely crushed tomatoes blended with fresh tomato puree, then seasoned with salt and fresh basil. These Tuttorosso tomatoes are perfect for building more flavor into the base of any red sauce. Add a can of Tuttorosso tomato sauce and 1 cup of chicken stock. Bring this to a boil, then reduce to a simmer and cover. Allow this to cook in a 325-degree oven for 2 hours. Add a 1/4 cup of heavy cream and then stir to combine. To assemble the lasagna, add a ladle or 2 of bolognese to a buttered baking dish. Add the lasagna noodles, another layer of bolognese, bechamel, and a heavy sprinkling of grated parm. Repeat this process until you've used all of your noodles. For the full lasagna bolognese recipe, including how to make the bechamel, check out thefeedfeed.com or click the link in our bio.